Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make sauerkraut juice. Now this video is a continuation, or shall I say a part 2 from my previous video on how to make sauerkraut. Now this is my first time doing this. It's actually an experiment. I wanted to experiment with sauerkraut juice, and sauerkraut itself is a very healthy food. So here is my sauerkraut that I already made. And I've been eating out of it, of course. That's why you see it's smaller. Normally, I would think that most people would think that sauerkraut juice would just be like the brine you're seeing right now. But instead, I decided to be more extra. I am going to be blending the sauerkraut. So I put some of the sauerkraut in my blender, about 2 tablespoons, and then I decided to add some apple juice. Now, I was thinking from the point of view that the apple juice will help to sort of like mitigate the sourness or the tanginess of the sauerkraut. Okay. Anyway, so I blended the sauerkraut and the apple juice in my blender, and then I sieved it. And voila, this was what I got, guys. Okay, you know what? I was thinking like, I love doing experiments, by the way. And I know this particular type of, experiment or juice is a little bit different and maybe not so common, but I would say I drank it, but it's not anything I would want to do again. I would just eat sauerkraut. I wouldn't make sauerkraut juice because it had such a weird taste, and I think it's just because of the brine, because of the salt in the sauerkraut, coupled with the apple juice was it was I don't know what to call it, man. It was interesting. Okay guys, so I still love doing experiments and I want to do some more, but it's the second experiment that has turned out a little weird. Anyway, guys, if you made it this far and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you think. Will you ever try sauerkraut juice? Don't forget to write your comments in the comment section. Do subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Ciao!